What's up, guys? Today we're doing just a little truck meet thingy with my friend Corey. So yeah, let's go. Um, get him. Oh, yo, Corey,
Yeah.
what you been doing?
What's up, boss? Good.
See, you bought yourself a new Chevy truck, and yeah, I'm at your house
Yeah.
right now. Oh, hello. Yeah, let me see your new. Let me see your new Ford. Oh crap. She nice. Oh, you just took the lift kit off of it?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me go get my truck. We can meet up at the church. Think it's... So you go behind the hospital.
Hold up, meet you where?
At the church. Just go behind that building right there. You know, go to the customized store. Alright, let me get my show truck. And then my Ram. Hey, get your Chevy. Your trailer. Alright, let me back up. My backup camera ain't that good on this truck.
Yeah.
Yo, Loki, do you want to go take these trucks mudding?
Sure.
Yeah, just
I
meet
might
up.
need to put a lift kit on my Chevy.
Yeah, you can do that later, bruh. My truck's power fly. I have a winch on this sucker. I just took out a stop sign. Yeah, the church is right behind the customized store. It's like I can ride directly. There it is. Let me just turn around. And then let me just put my ramps down. Ow, that hurt. It just bonked me in the head. There, you coming? Oh crap. Shoot. There we go.
Alright. I'm about to customize my Chevy.
Alright, we're... Alright, I see. This is the before of that red Chevy CarMax, whatever you call it. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's a Thursday. They locked up church. Church is on Sunday. Let's go. Let's see about this mud park. Ooh, Corey, bro. We have some jumps we can do on our trucks at the mud park.
Bet.
Alright. Shit. Holy, bruh. You jacked that thing. Yeah, I'm gonna start my GMC up, bro.
Frick, I forgot to press apply, damn.
Brody, that was weird. How did you forget to press apply? Pay for it.
Yeah.
Pay for it with human monies. Dollars. Brody, I added starlights in my vehicle. Starlights. Brody, I'm fine. Just park your truck and just bring your truck over to the mud place. I don't think I'm supposed to be going mudding with this thing, but this is not a mud truck. Oh, shoot. Oh, my truck's dirty. Oh, shoot. Run my truck. Shoot. Bro, my truck is not even like blue anymore. Well, yeah, it's still blue, but barely. Low-key, I'm gonna hit a jump. No, bro, I was stuck. Don't get stuck. Great. Hey, rolling up. I'm way at the very end. I'm coming to you
Holy, bro.
now. Turn on traction control. Oh, shoot. Bro, where did you go?
Oh, yeah, I'm stuck.
Bro, how did you get stuck right there? Oh, shoot. I guess I'm getting muddy today. How, bro? You doing a burn? Oh, your tailgate is dragging the hill. Your hitch got stuck on the hill, bro. Maybe I could push you out. Maybe.
Do you have a winch on that truck?
No. You want me to go get one?
Yeah.
don't want to stay here all night doing this. I guess I will.
Alright, we do it.
Don't tell me you're stuck. Well, guys, if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe. Shout out to my man Corey, he's the newest member. Say hello.
What's up?